Today we're featuring the new Toyota Highlander Platinum that seats 7, gets up to 27 miles per gallon, and includes Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features like the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and more, all designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. To ensure you can see clearly at all times, the Highlander Platinum comes with LED projector headlights with the adaptive front lighting, auto leveling system, LED strip daytime running lights, and high-output LED fog lights. The color-keyed door handles integrate the Smart Key remote keyless entry system with push-button start, liftgate function, remote illuminated entry, and more. You'll enjoy the convenience of the Highlanders Height-adjustable hands-free power liftgate with jam protection, and the LED taillights and LED center high-mount stoplight will give you fast braking warning. The color-keyed heated power outside mirrors with puddle lights with integrated Highlander logo include both turn signal and blind spot warning indicators with reverse tilt down with memory feature. In addition, with Toyota's Safety Sense, you get the Highlander's pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and many more features to keep you and your family safe. Once inside, you'll notice the power panoramic view moonroof with sunshade and one-touch open-close with jam protection. The 60/40 split fold-flat third-row seats helps you maximize cargo area configurations, and rear seating options are also available. This Highlander really does put the utility in sports utility vehicle with heated second-row fold-down captain's chairs and fold-down inboard armrests. The front cabin includes a soft-touch roll-top center console with removable utility tray, a soft-touch in-dash split-level shelf, auto-dimming digital rear-view mirror with HomeLink, Wi-Fi, a 7-inch color LCD multi-information display, and an impressive 12.3-inch Toyota infotainment screen. The leather-trimmed shift knob and heated tilt telescopic leather steering wheel includes hands-free controls for cruise control, phone and audio, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM, and Amazon Alexa. This Highlander Platinum also includes leather-trimmed and heated 10-way powered adjustable driver's seat with power lumbar support and memory, and heated 4-way power adjustable front passenger seat. The Highlander Platinum is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 8-speed automatic transmission. Traditional gas or hybrid models are available. In addition, choose from snow and drive modes with eco, normal, and sport options for mud, sand, rock, or dirt travels. Remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program. Style, comfort, capability, and advanced technology, find it all in the new Toyota Highlander Platinum. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.